For 20 years, we've made a mark with bonds that shine like a glowing spark. Student exchanges, we've had our share. A global family beyond compare. Collaboration across the land. Together we've worked hand in hand. European values light our way, with unity growing every day. Through virtual travels, our worlds expand. With creativity, we take a stand. Friendship blooms in every place, enriching lives with every embrace. Teachers connecting, hearts align, sharing wisdom, bright designs. A place so safe, a space so free, where digital skills grow endlessly. From classrooms buzzing with ideas so bright, to online dreams that take their flight. Our happiness shines, a guiding star. Together we've come so very far. We're better together, side by side. With open minds we learn and guide. Breaking borders, building trust. In eTwinning's magic we place our trust. Imagination fuels our way, creating futures, come what may. Celebrating 20 years of glee, where learning flows like a boundless sea. So let's raise a cheer, a heartfelt song for eTwinning's journey ever strong. With joy we honor the ties we've spun, united in spirit we're all as one. Teachers connecting, hearts align, sharing wisdom, bright designs. A place so safe, a space so free, where digital skills grow endlessly. From classrooms buzzing with ideas so bright, to online dreams that take their flight. Our happiness shines, a guiding star. Together we've come so very far. We're better together.